So this is another roll that comes with our shipment. This is a job for one of our customers, and it needs to be cut down into a very small size. It's nicely strapped, and roll into each side of it. I'll take these off, and then you'll see on the machine this cogs in it. Now the material is totally unwrapped and loaded onto the machine, and it's going to be set up now to slit down into the required width that we need. Okay, so we've got that big roll on the other side which we loaded, and now we're slitting this into different sizes for different jobs. So you can see here we've got one width, and then we've got a bigger width, and we can basically, I think we're going to use this one to split down into a much smaller width, but giving us the number of meters that we require. So we'll go to our other slitter, and that will be split down even smaller. It's a lot easier there. There's another size, it's splitting off, and then we have a little off cut here which will go into our stocks, from which then we can produce sleeves, smaller size sleeves as we require them. Okay, then once we've slit the sizes on the big slitting machine to a more maintainable size, or the size we can handle properly, we use the small slitting machine, and then we actually slit them down into the size required for the actual sleeve. Okay, so yeah, we've actually reached the final width that we require. Now this is just a slightly better view of the tube we've created. It's come all the way from the big mother roll, split down into widths, and finally tubed into the small size. Okay, so we've taken that big roll that we've now come down and split into smaller portions. We've sealed it into a tube, and we're now busy cutting that down into the required size. And then you'll see that the operator will bundle it, and we'll bundle in 250s, and then we stack it into these bundles onto the tray until it's enough to put into a box. Okay, so once the cutter has packed the sleeves in the box, she labels it, and then it comes to QC, and when QC's finished check, he then seals the box.